Welcome to the third video of the onboarding tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to link products that are listed across multiple channels using Nembol's link function. The link function lets you connect the same product across different channels. Once linked, you will see icons for each connected channel displayed on the product in Nembol. To link products via Nembol, they must meet these requirements. Have the same SKU code in both channels, have the same number of variants, and each variant must share the same SKU code across platforms. Also, please note that this feature is available exclusively on the Pro plan and above. Let's see how it works with an example. First, we import products from one channel, in our case Etsy. Then we import from the second channel. We will use Shopify. As you can see, some products have linked. You can see this because both channel icons are present in the same product. However, we can see that one product wasn't linked correctly. This is because the SKU code in Shopify is different from the one in Etsy. To fix it is very easy. Use the SKU code you want to keep. Then delete the product in Nembol imported from Shopify. Then go to Shopify and update the product SKU code to match with the Etsy one. Save the changes and then come back to Nembol and re-import the product. Now you will see the product will be correctly linked across both channels. If your products don't have SKU codes, you can still use this function. Just add the same SKU code manually to each product. Then follow the same steps shown before. You can also use CSV for bulk edits. Let us know in the comments if you want this tutorial. Now you know how to link products across multiple channels using Nembol. Do you have any questions or suggestions? Let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our next videos, and remember, our customer support is always here to help. Thanks for watching. Have good sales.